Do you know the most talkative bird in the world is the African Gray Parrot? An albatross can sleep while it flies. It apparently dozes while cruising at 25 miles per hour. The bee hummingbird is the smallest living bird in the world with a length of just 5 centimeters. A bird's heart beats 400 times per minute while resting and up to 1,000 beats per minute while flying. Owls cannot move their eyes as their eyeballs that are tubular in shape. Because of this, they are able to rotate their head 270 degrees, which is still further than any other animal. A duck's squawk doesn't echo anywhere. A bird's feathers weigh more than its skeleton. The most dangerous bird in the world is a cassowary. With one kick, it can kill its enemy. Puffins can fly underwater. A woodpecker can peck 20 times a second. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep to keep them from drifting apart. Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet in the air.